Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reveal all edit options for each asset you place in Tiny Glade. To do this, we'll need to hover our mouse over one of the assets that we want to edit and then simply click the right mouse button. That way you'll be able to see all of the edit options. For example, we can change the height of the building or actually tower. We can also make it smaller or bigger, wider, or I don't know the word for it, but anyway, you can also move it around like this and just click on each of them and it will give you the different options. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.